Video I will explain my prediction on NFP data later, which will be released, I think will be on 9:30, right? Okay, it's around 1.5 hours left. Okay, so let's see from the dollar index right here. Okay, this dollar index in H4, what we can see right here, the price doing a downtrend. Okay, why I say the downtrend here, you got the breakouts, right? You go the breakouts right here. Okay, this make a new lower low, it pull back, lower high, lower low. Okay, it pull back to the lower low. So this is also a lower high. Okay, this is also a lower high. So the price try to make a retracement right here. Okay, for me, I would say that you can monitor on these two areas for the price to reversal. Okay, this is the first area. Okay, the previous lower high area and also on the supply drop base drops area. Next area will be around here. Okay, will be around this area. Okay, we just take on the last candlestick before the impulsive move here. Okay, this area on the first one. Okay, on the first area, this one first. This one second, right? So for the first area, you can see the price actually coming with the liquidities. Okay, first high, second high, third high, and it touch. Okay, and it touch. So what I predict the price may be, okay, maybe just react on this trend line a bit, drops. Okay, this is what I predict because it's already grabbed on the supply and the news is coming. So I will be predicting the price on dollar index will be coming down soon. Okay, but don't forget it's just prediction. The price possible also come to this area which is around 200 pips to go. Okay, this also a lower high, so both also possible. Okay, so let's go to gold and see what we can do right now. Okay, and for gold, what I predict in H4, actually we can't see anything. Okay, actually we can't see anything. You can see only when the price is touching this. Okay, the price is touching on the previous demand zone. Okay, the price make a sideways. Okay, the price make a sideways, but what we can see is actually from lower time frame. What I see in M30 Okay, M30 you got a supply zone right here. Okay, you got a supply zone right here. Okay, you can see the drop base drops. Okay, you can see a drop base drop, and also for the retest right here. Okay, when the price retest this area, it go up, so this is valid. Okay, when you're making a drop base drops like here, it should be retesting. Okay, it should be retesting. So for now, what I can see, the price actually doing some liquidities. Okay, after the liquidities, the price do some inducement. Okay, so now what we are waiting, compression also got. Okay, the compression also got already. What we are waiting, the price come to these supplies and we can sell. Okay, the price come to this supply, then we can sell. The price is around 2053 and 2056. Okay, so for my prediction for the data coming out, I will say it will spike up first. Okay, it will spike up to this area first and then it come down. Okay, if you are a risk taker, you can take a buy, but if you are low risk traders, I will suggest you wait for the sell around this area. Okay, is it clear? Okay, that's all for my prediction for later. Trade at your own risk. See you soon. Bye bye.